I think what I'm going to do, you see there's a little gap on the side, so I'm going to put some butyl tape on there, very thin layer, and there's a gap underneath it too, and that's hopefully what's going to seal it. That's what I'm planning on doing and testing over the springtime. It's simple, and that won't dry. It should just seal it. When I pull it out, I could just put some more on there, put it back in. That's kind of my game plan. But yeah, like I said, we're gonna have to test all that once the spring comes around. It's too cold to do that kind of stuff right now. When I built these brackets, I put these extra pieces in some areas. Like this one has one on both sides. This one only has one on this side, nothing on here. And so my idea is I'm going to put what I'm calling an alignment pin right here, sticking up. It's basically going to be a 5/16 bolt that sticks up around the end off, and I'll have it jammed it on here. I got to make the hole bigger. It's just small for now because I've got these brackets I built here, and these are going to attach. These are 3/16 stainless steel, a little countersunk hole for a screw. They're going to attach kind of in this position on this one, and they'll screw into the actual hatch base. And then when you drop the hatch on, there'll be a hole in it that lines up with this hole in the pin, and that'll keep it from moving around any which way. There's two of them, just so if you just had one, it could still swing around, so you need two, at least two. So I don't have the correct hardware, but I do have this bolt in here for now, just to show you how this alignment pin is going to work. It's just a bolt with a jam nut on it. It won't be that long, and I'll probably round off the top of it there. But there'll be two of them on each hatch. There's one there. There'll be one over here. But it's February. I'm not going to buy that hardware right now. It's not that important that I get this done. It's cold. I don't know, there's some weirdness going on at the marina here where I was told I had to make an appointment to visit my boat, so it's just, I can't believe this place. But anyways, that's the way it's gonna look, and we'll call this done in many ways. Over and out. Well, that's going to do it for this video. Now, I was hoping this video was going to be a nice little short, fun video, kind of to be in contrast to my last 40-minute video, which didn't really fare too well. But the ending here is not going to be a fun thing. I found out, well, I wasn't joking when I said I need an appointment to go over to the boat. And yesterday I got an appointment to go to the boat. It was Saturday, February 15th. Went over there and talked to the acting managers over there because the manager that was there left. And they were very nice, but they basically told me I can't work on the boat in the off season anymore. Starting now. So the rest of the off season runs until May, so there's 2 months I can't work on the boat, at the boat. And I'm worried that that's going to include from December until May next year. So the location that the boat's at is in question in my brain right now. And I think it kind of screws up my whole game plan for this year. I was hoping 2025 was going to be a good year because I'm now healthy. I don't have any surgeries planned, and I thought I was going to get a nice fresh start. But the year is turning out to be terrible so far as far as boat building goes and boat work goes. So I think what I'm going to do after sleeping on it last night, the next day, had a little chance to kind of run it through my brain. I think this year is now going to become a year to kind of reset, get myself established at a place where I feel comfortable and I can work on the boat without worrying about it. I mean, the last few years have involved in this channel have been me explaining how I'm taking breaks for this and that and everything else. And so to lead into that, I think I'm also going to kind of mothball my boat channel here for a while too. I'm not going to engage on it. I'm not going to put out any videos. I'm probably going to work on some things. The one project I had scheduled I was going to do this year and this month was remove the teak from the hatches here, the old hatches on the boat, and just plane it down and get it prepped for which was going to be March and April to start laying it out in the cockpit. But There's not an urgency to do that right now, so I probably will putz around on it, but that's about it. So anyways, I have to do a reset for getting some enthusiasm back into myself for this boat project, because this is really a crusher in my enthusiasm right now. And yeah, I got to get this boat in a place where I'm happy working on it and can work on it without worrying about things. So anyways, a big shift here, and it's unfortunate. But, you know, when something becomes more of a pain than fun, you got to do something about it. And so this is what I've decided to do about it. So starting here until sometime in the future, I will be not engaging on YouTube, and doing some minor boat work maybe, but I might be getting into something else. You know, once the boat is kind of out of sight, it's out of mind, and I'm hoping that it does get out of mind for a little while, and I can come back in a positive way and start putting videos out without any drama, because I hate drama in videos. So anyways, that's it for this video, and that's going to be it for a while for me and on this build. So hopefully there's some good news around the horizon. So until I get there, everyone take it easy. Thanks for watching. Thanks for following along so far. And hopefully things get squared away and we can get back to it. But until then, yeah, enjoy yourselves.